In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom mockup in Canva in just a few seconds. This is a great skill to have, whether you're a designer, a marketer, or just someone looking to create eye-catching visuals for your projects. We'll dive right into the process, making it simple and straightforward, so you can follow along with ease. First, head over to Canva's website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is quick and free. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll notice a search button. It's usually located at the top. Here, you'll want to click on the More option, which might also be labeled as See All, depending on your interface. This will open up a wider range of options for you, so you can really get a sense of the many tools and templates Canva has to offer. Next, you'll want to type Landscape Layout into that search bar. This search will pull up various templates and options for landscape designs. What we're aiming for here is the Poster Landscape 594 by 420 mm option. Selecting this will set the dimensions for your canvas, which is perfect for a wide array of mock-up designs. With your canvas ready, take a look over at the left side panel. You'll find an option called Apps. Click on this, and another search bar will appear. In this search bar, type Mockup. It's here that Canva's collection of mockup tools can be accessed. After searching, you should see a section specifically for mockups. Go ahead and click on it. Now comes the fun part, browsing through a series of mockup templates. Select the one that resonates with the vision you've got in mind for your project. Once you have your template selected, it's time to personalize it. Head over to the Uploads tab, which is also on the left side panel. Here, you can upload any photo or design you want to feature in your mockup. After you've uploaded your image, click on it. Drag and drop it onto the mockup template you've chosen. This step is crucial as it visually integrates your unique content with the mockup. Feel free to resize and reposition the image until it looks just right on the mockup. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you're almost at the finish line. The final step is to download your creation. Simply click Share in the top right corner of the screen and then choose the Download option. Your custom mockup is ready, and you can now use it for whatever project you have in mind. There you have it, a custom mockup created in record time, thanks to Canva. Enjoy your designing journey.